Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone apps stuck on waiting. So guys, when you want to download any kind of app from your app store in your iPhone and facing the issue that app is stuck on waiting, means not proceeding on next level. So guys, how can you fix this problem? So guys you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you need to do some settings. So guys, here is the option of settings, so you need to click here, and guys after this you need to click on screen time, and you need to click on content and privacy restrictions. And guys after this, here is the option of content restrictions, click on apps, and guys make sure that it is clicked on allow all. And guys after this you need to go back, and here is the option of iTunes app purchases, store purchases. So guys, simply you need to click on installing apps and click on allow. And after doing these settings, make sure that your phone is connected with proper internet connection. So guys, simply you need to click on Wi-Fi, and after this you need to connect your device with any Wi-Fi. And guys after connecting it you need to go back. So guys, if do not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data. So guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys simply you need to open your general, and guys after this you need to scroll it down, and here is the option of transfer and reset iPhone. Simply you need to click on reset, click on reset network settings. So guys, here you need to put your passcode of your iPhone, and guys after doing this you need to go back and click on VPN and device management, and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your phone. And after doing this you need to go back, and guys after doing all the settings your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, so guys here you can see now my app is going to next level, means loading. It is goes from waiting list. So guys, simply you can do from these settings. So guys, if not fix your problem still, then guys you need to update your iPhone. So guys, how can you update? Simply you need to click on general, click on software update, and guys you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys after doing this you need to open your app store from you want to download any app. So guys, simply you need to click on that your Apple ID, and after this you need to sign out from here. So guys after signing out you need to sign in again on your app store, and guys after doing all the settings your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.